Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add your debit card to Revolut. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log in to your account. On the home screen, tap on Add Money. Enter the amount you'd like to add, then tap Change next to the payment method. Select Add Card Securely under the Cards section. Next, enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Once done, your debit card will appear as a payment option. Now you can use it anytime to top up your Revolut account. And that's it. That's how to add a debit card to your Revolut account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.